Jumping right in, I am going in with my Murray's Edge Wax and I'm going to apply this all over my head. Now, I was really just experimenting with this style. I didn't really know how I was gonna get my hair that was this short into this slick back or this slick up, but I definitely did it. I will say in hindsight, what I should have done is put water on my hair to really get it even more slick. Now, I didn't have anything to tie my hair up with, so I used this headband and I cut it, and then I just slid it up my head until I got it exactly where I wanted to be. And then I used some bobby pins to just pin it down. I wish I had a shoestring because that would have worked a lot better, but I had to make do with what I had. Now I just went in with these wrap strips and I put about 3 on my head to make sure that I had my hair laid down as flat as possible. And again, I should have used water with this wax and that would have helped me so much. But of course, hindsight is 2020. So I'm really just winging it here, y'all. And it was so funny to me. And now I'm using my blow dryer to dry my hair as much as possible because the wax definitely had my hair a little sticky and it was a little wet, so I wanted that to go away. And now I'm going in with this puff and I'm just going to take this and put it on top of the little puff of mine that I made, and I'm going to use the drawstring to secure it and making sure that it's not too tight because that really hurts and it's irritating. So then I'm just going to take some bobby pins and put that into the puff and make sure that I pin it down so that it's covering my hair. And one thing that I also did was I put bobby pins on certain parts where my hair was kind of sticking out. And now I'm just going to go in with my comb and comb this puff because it was definitely looking like wiggish and I did not like that. I also wanted more volume and I wanted to be big. And again, I always want any hair pieces or ponytails that I wear to look natural and to look as close to my hair as possible. Oh my God, that was so funny. But yes, just making sure that I comb this until I was satisfied with the volume. So here I'm going back in with maybe 2 or 3 more strips to dry my hair even more because I took the original ones off a little too early and my hair was still tacky and I really did not like how it felt. I just needed that wax to dry, and again, the water would have activated it, but I know better for next time. So I am drying it and I also leave this on while I do my makeup, and this is the final result. And this is what the back of it looks like. If you guys like this style, then make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.